Hey everyone, and welcome to Tiny Tribe Parents. In this video, we are going to talk about the health benefits of formula feeding your baby. Now, let's begin. Number 1. You will never experience sore or chapped nipples, or have to deal with an engorged breast. Have you ever dreaded having to breastfeed your baby when your nipples are sore and cracked? The anticipation can be daunting and very unpleasant. Breastfeeding can be downright painful at times. When you experience sore or chapped nipples, it may be because of your baby's position, latch, or suck. A correction in your baby's position or latch can often alleviate sore, cracked nipples. Number 2. You don't have to worry about pumping before you leave your baby with someone else. Another benefit of formula feeding is being able to do more without too much worry about what your baby is going to eat. With formula, you have the freedom and flexibility to leave your baby without fear of having to pump breast milk. When you already have a busy schedule, finding the time to pump can be very time-consuming. The dilemma with breastfeeding is, you are your baby's food. Where you go, your baby's food goes. Unless you pump, you will always have to be near your baby. With formula-fed babies, you can leave without any worry of your baby having enough food. Number 3. You can take a break, and other people can feed the baby. There is so much freedom and flexibility with being able to let others feed your baby. Being able to take a break is vital for your mental health. Sleep deprivation is a real beast, and if your partner can help with a few nighttime feedings will allow you to catch up on sleep. Having someone else like your partner feed the baby allows them to share in on the feeding duties and bond with your baby. And, if you have other kids, this is a great way to get them involved in helping with the new baby. Number 4. You will always know how much your baby is eating. With breastfeeding, unless you are pumping and measuring the amount you are giving to your baby, you will never truly know how much your baby is eating. When you give your baby formula, you always know exactly how much your baby has eaten, consumed. This is especially important to know for babies who might be sick or might not be putting on weight. Number 5. Your baby will stay fuller longer. Formula takes a little longer to digest than breast milk, leaving them feeling fuller for longer. That is why with a newborn, it is recommended that you breastfeed your baby every 2 to 3 hours or formula feed your baby every 3 to 4 hours. When your baby stays fuller longer, that means less feedings for the day and night. Having a few extra hours can allow you to get stuff done around the house if you want, get some work done, run some errands, or have an extra hour of sleep when your baby is sleeping. We are constantly hearing about the health benefits of breastfeeding. But what if a mother simply doesn't want to breastfeed her baby? And more importantly, what if she can't breastfeed her baby? Breastfeeding is a very beneficial option for both mom and baby, and everyone else involved. Formula feeding is also a beneficial choice for both mom and baby. Bottom line is, there is no right or wrong decision, as long as your little one is safe and healthy. Hey, thanks for watching Tiny Tribe Parents, and be sure to subscribe for more incredible content that is on the way.